Hello and welcome to yet another video. Today we will bring you a solution to decrypt Outlook emails encrypted with either MIME or OpenPGP type encryption with DataHelp PST Repair tool. The software helps in repairing corrupted, damaged or inaccessible PST files, and helps in decrypting MIME and OpenPGP encryptions from Outlook emails. Now let's check out the working process. The tool opens with a simple yet user-friendly interface. Here you have to click Add File button from the top menu to start adding files. Then a small window opens with further options to choose. Here you can click Select File option or the Search File option. Now let's choose the Select File option in our example. Then click Browse button to choose desired PST from the save location. And click Open. If emails are encrypted with MIME or OpenPGP type encryption, then you can check the Remove Encryption checkbox option. Then a window opens to add encryption details. Here you can choose either single key option or multiple key option. Now let's select the single key option in our example. And select the encryption type from the drop-down option. Let's select the MIME option in our example. Then click Browse button to select the key file path from the save location. After that click Open. Then enter the password in the field option below, and click Done. And from the Scan Mode option, you can choose either Quick Scan option, or the Advanced Scan option. Choose Advanced Scan option, if the file is highly corrupted. Now let's proceed with the Advanced Scan Mode option selected. After making the selections, click Add button. Now you can see the file scanning in progress. And after the scanning completes successfully, click Yes to save the scanned files, or else click No to proceed. Then you can see the folder list will appear on the left pane. And choose any desired folder to preview its contents, and then the mails will appear on the right. And below you can see different views of any chosen mail. You can see the normal mail view here. Hex view. Properties view. Message header. MIME view. HTML. RTF. And attachments of any chosen mail. Now let's see the method of how to perform selective mail export. Choose the desired mails to export by checking the corresponding checkbox option. Then right-click on any desired mail and click Save button. Then Export option window appears with further options to choose. Export options will be explained in detail during bulk export. Now let's check out the method of how to perform folder-wise bulk export of mails. You have to click Save button from the top menu, then Export option will open with further advanced options to choose. Here you have to choose the desired folders to export, by selecting the corresponding box option. And then you have to select the desired export type. In our example, let's proceed with the PST option selected. After that you can choose the advanced settings. Then from the PST settings, you can choose the PST split option, in order to split large-sized PST files, according to size. Then you can choose the date filter option, to filter mails date-wise. And below you can choose the desired categories. After making the desired options, click Save button below to proceed. And click OK. Then click Browse button to choose a destination folder to save the output files. After selecting a folder, click OK. Maintain folder hierarchy option lets you maintain the folder hierarchy intact. And if you don't want empty folders to be exported, then uncheck Maintain folder hierarchy option, and then you can check Next option below. And the Use Outlook checkbox can be selected if Outlook is installed on your system. And selecting the Ignore System Folders option ignores system folders from getting exported. After making the desired selections, Click Export button below to proceed further. Now you can see the file exporting process in progress, and after the process completes successfully, click OK. Then you can see the Export Report window appears with complete export report, and click Save button to save the export report in CSV format. In this video, you saw the successful method of decrypting MIME encrypted Outlook emails. Now let's check out the output files. Open the destination folder in which the files were saved. And here you can see the decrypted Outlook PST file output. Open the PST file in Microsoft Outlook to further preview its details. Now you can see decrypted mails here. Go to the product page to purchase the product. Don't waste time. Purchase full version, and get the full license features. If any query, feel free to contact us. Subscribe channel for latest updates and offers.